If you've lost access to your CashtoCode account and cannot use your email for recovery, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the CashtoCode website. Go to the official CashtoCode website. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Follow the prompts provided for the recovery method you selected. If using your phone number, you may receive a verification code via SMS that you will need to enter. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have verified your identity through the chosen method, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your CashtoCode account without needing your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.